Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rupal from Sugar Poetry Bakes. Come, let's make this best papa and husband cake together. I'm sure you know the drill by now. सबसे पहले we'll start with the sponges that I'd baked the night before. And I'm cutting out layers from the sponges. So this was a 1 kg cake and मुझे इसमें थोड़ा सा tall look चाहिए था, but not too tall. So I just took 2 layers from both the sponges each. Now moving on to the stacking part, I'm starting with the first layer of the sponge. And I've moved it slightly towards the back part of the board because I need some space in the front for the design. Then in goes the soaking and a layer of whipped cream. Now since the board wasn't too straight, I had to hold it every now and then. Since it was a pineapple cake, there goes a pineapple filling. The process is quite repetitive from here on, so as usual I'm gonna give you a little backstory about this order. जिन कस्टमर ने मुझे ये ऑर्डर दिया था few months back, she had placed her first 2 orders with me for both her kids, and both the cakes were theme cakes. For her daughter, it was a Frozen movie theme cake with Elsa in the lead, and for her son who was turning 6 months old, she placed a half birthday cake order. So this time when her husband's birthday came up, she contacted me and shared some reference images, and after going back and forth with our discussions, we finalized on this particular design that you saw in the thumbnail. Now I'm making this design for the second time. The first time I'd hand painted it on a sheet of fondant जिसमें I'd painted the storyline of the family walking around. But this time I wanted to take a different approach because that's what we bakers do. So इस बार I decided to cut out the figures, the human figures from the fondant and place those directly on the cake, just to add a little 3D effect to the cake. Now art is something that does not have one right answer. एक ही डिज़ाइन को कितने भी different ways में बनाया जा सकता है. For example, this design can be made using a stencil or a mold. But since my setup is quite small, it does not make sense for me कि मैं इतने सारे molds और stencils collect करूँ for each and every design out there. Plus, I also prefer that I add a personal touch to each and every cake, because I feel when the customer is placing an order with me, they are not just paying me for the materials or the time and effort, they are also paying me for an experience. Otherwise, वो एक normal bakery से भी purchase कर सकते हैं. Why approach a custom cake maker, right? So I try to add some personal touch to all the cakes and handcraft as much as possible. So we are almost done with the crumb coating, and I'm just smoothing out the edges because it becomes easier to handle the cake in case of a tall cake. Now moving on to the fondant work, I'm rolling out a piece of black fondant on which I'm gonna cut out the human silhouettes. यहाँ पे आई एम गोना मेजर कि कितने एरिया में आई वांट द फिगर्स टू वर्क, बिकॉज इट शुडंट एक्सीड द विड्थ और द हाइट ऑफ द केक. Now with the help of a toothpick I am tracing out the human figures, because ये छोटा piece of fondant है and I want as much precision as possible. Directly cutting करेंगे तो there might be an issue. And now I'm gonna cut out the figures. From this sheet of fondant, I am cutting out the father and the kid's figure, and from this other sheet, I am cutting the mother's figure. Now furthermore, I am going to place this family silhouette on a white background just to add a little border or an outline. Here's the final family figure. I also cut out the alphabets that I'll be needing: best, papa and husband. Now we are moving on to the final icing, which I'm gonna fast forward because we've seen it so many times. Now using black cream, I'm making some strokes on the cake just to show a little grass texture at the bottom. Now I'm attaching the family figure and the alphabets. Now using the same black cream, I'm making some birds जो हम बचपन में अपनी आर्ट फाइल्स में बनाते थे, and I'm cleaning the edges of the alphabets. Now to add the final touches, I'm attaching some artificial balls, and this is the final look. The customer absolutely loved the cake, both the design and the taste. I've attached her review. I hope you like it. Like, share and subscribe and follow for more. Bye bye.